Sonu.
Yeah, tell
Yes.
me. I am just playing now.
Wait now, leave playing and come to me.
Yes.
Come.
Yeah, what
happened?
Guys, tell me
Please
what
give me.
happened.
Hey, I need to ask that what is this?
This is a black path, which is also known as shadow.
Shadow?
Yeah.
Shadow? What is shadow?
Shadow is a black patch which form due to the obscure object. When obscure object means when we place obscure object in the path of light, then our shadow form.
Opaque. What is opaque object?
Object which doesn't allow to light pass through clearly. Pass through is known as opaque object.
Okay.
Opaque object.
Means you all need to say that I am opaque object.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are
And
obscure.
the light of sun is coming to me,
Yeah.
and then I am in the way of light.
Yeah.
Yes.
So shadow is forming.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Oh my god. So means objects are classified only opaque objects, but I have seen that some allowed means some objects light can pass means completely fully.
Yeah.
So is there anything related to that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These means objects which allow light to pass through them are known as the transparent object.
What
Transparent.
transparent?
Yeah.
Okay, so
And
only this
No, not only these two, but one also translucent.
Translucent. Yeah.
Do you know what is translucent?
actually I have not studied.
Translucent objects are.
Excuse me,
Yeah, tell me.
translucent, an object which pass the light through it not clearly. That is called translucent.
Means it passes the light but not clearly.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Will you please give me example?
Yeah. Means take a paper, white sheet paper means white paper.
White paper means which type of paper? Chart paper, A4 sheet means any.
A4
Any
A4
paper.
sheet.
Any paper
A4
you can
sheet.
take.
Any paper means you can take, yeah.
Yeah.
And after that, put some drop of oil on that.
Oil means any oil.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Means if you try, means mainly you try to put kerosene or that mustard oil.
Okay. After that,
After that, if you will see from that that
from what? That paper.
paper, yeah.
Yeah.
Then you will able to see, but not clearly.
Means I have to do like this. Then I will able to see everything, but not that much clear.
Clearly.
Clearly.
That
Okay.
we can see from transparent object.
Actually, I was getting a flat from you. So I have one very big confusion.
What?
Tell me.
Actually, there is one dark room in my
Yeah.
house. So when I go there, then I am unable to see my shadow, and I think this is always with me.
Yeah, because
So why in dark room it is not with me?
Yeah, because of light.
Light. Light is not there.
yeah, light
Yes,
is not
yes.
there. So means your shadow means not formed.
Not from
Not
Means
from.
if there is light, then only we can see.
Yes,
shadow.
Yeah. Then you can see.
I mean, shadow are of different types.
No.
no.
Shadow are not of different types.
Who had told you?
Nobody. But when I went to saloon or in my house also, there is mirror, and when I see there same person like me, there is same person like me. Means that is not shadow.
No. That is image.
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 Yeah.
What is this? Image.
Image means picture who looks same like you. Means object.
Object.
Any object. If you will place any means obscure object in front of the mirror, then that image will form like that. Means object.
In mirror.
Yes, in
Yes.
mirror. And it form due to reflection of the light.
Reflection means mirror can reflect light also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am asking mirror can reflect light, but I don't know what is reflection. Will you please, anyone of you, explain me?
Yeah, reflection is the bouncing back of light from any surface is known as reflection.
Means mirror can bounce means bounce back the light also.
Yeah.
Means when light fall on any object,
Yeah.
then that light reflect back or bounce back from the surface, from that object surface, and that reflecting means reflecting light come into our eyes, come in our eyes, and then we are able to see that object.
Means I am able to see these things, so I am able to see due to reflection.
No, bouncing back of light
Back of light.
from any surface.
Okay. So you all were telling about mirror, but I don't know the actual definition of mirror. So
Yeah.
Shashi, will you please explain?
Yeah. Mirror is a polished, highly reflecting surface that reflect light totally.
Means it reflects light totally.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
I am able to see my picture.
Yeah.
Okay, so which means, and I have also a confusion. If I put my right hand, then it shows that this is left. What?
Yeah.
We see in the mirror lateral inverted image.
Yeah.
Lateral
Because of
Yes.
that image.
In the lateral inverted image, if we appear our right hand, left hand, then it shows his right hand, and if we raise our right hand, then we see the his left hand.
Means mirror left hand.
Yeah,
Yes,
mirror
yes,
left
yes.
hand. Yeah.
Mirror shows if I will. Do, so means you have explained me everything. Okay, coming. So thank you
Thank you,
friends for
friend.
telling, and we will discuss
Okay.
Later, yeah.
Yeah,
Bye.